Hello, and welcome to your Clrxplore vendor dashboard. Let's walk through the steps to create and upload your digital product so you're ready to start sharing your work and making sales. Log into your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to your vendor account. Go to the Products section and click on Add New Product. Product Details. Fill out the form with your product details. Enter the product name and set your own price. Choose the appropriate category for your product. Add a short description to give customers a quick preview of what you're offering. Upload a cover image to represent your product visually. Once you've filled in the form, click Create Product. You'll be directed to the Pending Review page. Since your product is digital, be sure to check the downloadable and virtual options. Add a short description in the appropriate section and a full description in the main description box. File upload. To add your file, click on Add File, name your product, and use Choose File to upload the digital file customers will receive. Set the download limit. We recommend a limit of 3 downloads per purchase. Customer note and reviews. Write a personal purchase note to thank customers for their support and ensure product reviews are enabled. Once all details are in place, click Save Product. Return to the Products page. Here you'll see your product with a pending review status. The table will display key details, image, name, SKU, optional, stock, price, product type, views, and submission date. After review and approval, the product status changes to online, meaning it's now live on the store. If you'd like to make changes, adjust the price, or update details, click Edit, make your adjustments, and save product. Go back to Products to confirm your updates. You'll see that any changes you made, like price adjustments, are now reflected, and that's it. You're all set up to start selling on Clrxplore. Thank you for joining our community, and we can't wait to see your product go live.